Okay, so you got a Notion template and now you need to get it into your workspace. Maybe it was a freebie, maybe you grabbed one off of Etsy. Either way, you should have a link to a public Notion page and it's going to look something like this. Let me show you. Okay, so this is my second brain dump automation template. If you want to check it out, I'll leave the link below. So what you're going to do here is you're going to look up here in the toolbar and you'll see these two overlapping little squares and you're going to click that and that will bring you to a page where you can select which workspace you want to add it to. Now, if you only have one workspace, this is like pretty straightforward, but if you're like me and maybe you're in your client's workspaces or you have Notion for work, you'll see a bunch of options here. Think of workspaces kind of like accounts. You can be logged into multiple accounts at once, and you just need to pick which one you want this template to live in. So for this one, I'll put it in my personal workspace. Now, in my personal one, I don't use it a ton, so I basically only have a private space. But if you have team spaces set up, like for work or for your own business, you'll see those options too. And one thing I always tell people before you go in and start clicking through everything, you want to make sure to put it where you actually want it first. That way you don't kind of lose it in your Notion workspace. It's way easier to put it in the right spot now than to move it after you've already started messing around with it. And then once it's where you want it, start poking around and see if whoever made the template included any tutorials. I swear all the best Notion templates will always come with instructions on how to use them. And that's it for today. If you want more Notion walkthroughs like this, hit subscribe and I'll keep them coming.